Centuries back, we started learning in the caves, scribbling on its walls with coal. Then we started learning under trees with advanced things like words and numbers. Then they started making prisons, classrooms, and started calling the learners students. That has been continuing on for a while, but things change. So now a whole new realm to learning has been found by adding an E in learning and making it e-learning, where people can study from wherever, whenever with the help of internet. But by that measure, one would say it is I-learning because internet is not spelled with an E. But oh well. E-learning as is, it's whatever, it's fine. But do you want to know what makes it better? Masteriyo. Huh? What's Masteriyo? Well, Masteriyo is a WordPress LMS which allows you to streamline the e-learning process for your students. It makes it possible for you to create beautiful, engaging courses and sell them online with just a few clicks. Whether you're a teacher, an institution, or someone trying to sell your courses online, Masteriyo is just what you need. With features that help you create fully fledged courses with engaging lessons, multiple different types of quizzes, and the ability to give out assignments, your students could not learn any better. All these with high customization, within a single page, under a few clicks, yes, yes, yes. From building to publishing to selling, Masteriyo has got you covered for everything for free. Get your Masteriyo now.